Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So guys, today I am actually already in Linstead. Yeah, we're already in Linstead. I just follow back at daddy as usual. I follow back at my father. Yeah, I don't care. I always be following him. But anyways, I don't know how I look right now. I feel like I have some kind of light or shining for me right now. But yes guys, right now we are in Linstead. We're actually at a church right now. We came to drop off something and then we're gonna go. But for the plan for today, basically, oh yes people, as you guys saw in the clips, well, I'm just gonna show you guys the clips of me doing my hair like this morning. So yes, let's roll that.
6 weeks gone, you know? I don't know where you chat say.
My sister, well, it go more than 6 weeks now. My sister,
Goodie.
can I'm here.
1x.
You're going to go now across with them
I'm slap these sleeves.
and try and connect
where?
them. No must funny top.
I don't understand.
So yeah, I got part one, and just like you can know this, boy, you can go to the side. Then a part one, next one, carry this.
So where them are going?
Yeah, go carry them in at the first one, and each time you go down, you part one, next one. Wanna see how she do me strong?
People, she has stressed me. Because I don't understand them and get her style.
So yeah, I did that this morning. I just felt like I just don't want to be combing my hair every minute, because I don't want it to get too weak. So I'm just gonna give my hair a break from combing it every day and such. So yeah. Good morning guys. So let me turn this down. Good morning guys. So it is Saturday and yeah, I have a week here and it tight. Yo, Mr. People, right so it's killing me. Let me see if we can. Yeah, that's much better. Anyways guys, how y'all doing? It is Saturday, it's raining and I have a meeting right now. I'm in a meeting, plus I have like one other meeting that I'm supposed to help to host, so that is that. But the hair is big, very big. I don't know what's going on with it right now, but it hurts, like especially like in these places, because it was done a little tight. My sister can it and she can tight, so yeah, that's that is that. But yes guys, I hope you guys are doing well and staying dry, staying fine. I bought some things yesterday, but I will not show you guys because I'm gonna be doing a video. I think it's in December and I want to show you guys the things then, so I don't want to show it to you now, so you guys can look forward for that video. But just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'm really grateful for all the love and support I've been getting lately, so just want to thank you guys for that. I am super grateful. So yeah. Oh, and if you guys have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully it will be somewhat fun. We're supposed to have like practice later, but I don't know how that's going because we're in a fall, so hopefully the rain stops. It's like 9:52 now, so hopefully the rain stops by then so we can have practice, because we're also supposed to be doing like cheering our cherry. So we picked our cheer person we're going to cheer. I'm not gonna tell you guys because I don't know if the person watches this, so I'm not gonna tell you guys, but I will make a video about it and even vlog when we are doing the exchanges and so on, because you know it'll be in December, so it will be in vlogmas, so you guys will have that vlog to get as well. So yeah, let us get into the video. We are going back into meeting. I'm not listening to what they're saying. I'm being a bad person right now by not listening, but yeah, I'm in my guidance shirt. I'm a guider, so I'm at guiders meeting. I'm gonna have my camera on, you know, but I have on guiders shirts. Right, later, bye. We can't hear what I'm saying. So I don't know if they're gonna talk to me or not. You know? Hey guys, so like that is basically why I'm using this phone with this bright light in my eyes. I'm not even sure if it's being videoed properly. Hopefully, yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna video. Hopefully it's videoing fine, I don't know. So yeah, like and I'm just chilling. We ended up not having a fellowship because of the rain, and we had like the boys came, but they came late, so yeah. So I'm gonna eat. It's sweet. Never mind if this is sweet, but yeah. Thanks guys, today is Tuesday. Yeah. I'm about to have dinner. I haven't done much for today, to be honest. I don't know, I felt a type of way today. Like I felt weak and just wanted to sleep. So now I'm gonna have problems to sleep later, because whenever I sleep through the day, I can't sleep in the night. So I slept pretty much for hours today. After I finished my video call class, I kind of fell asleep. So I slept like for 2 to 3 hours. Don't even know, but it was for a while. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep later. So I'm gonna be planning out some videos and stuff. I have a video, I think soon come out, that I've been meaning to get my sister to do the voiceover for, but have not yet been done. I have the last vlog that I don't even know if I have enough footage for. I just have lots of videos filming and I'm not editing and uploading, so I don't know. Eating dumpling, and I think this is cornmeal kind of dumpling, I'm not sure, and Irish potato, corned beef, and I have some cucumber and tomatoes. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, but I'm gonna eat it. This is what my food looks like. And I'm not a food kind of person. Fast food, yeah, I'll eat much of that, even though I can't eat it one time. But alright, so I'm having my dinner with some Cala Rosé wine, white wine, and I added some syrup to it. I can't add too much. That's sweet. I don't know, it's sour. Really sweet. But want some water. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and watch some videos while I eat. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the weekend vlog. Hi, Shan. Bye bye. Anyways, guys, welcome to the weekend vlog. It is Friday, and we are excited that it's Friday. I don't know, we're always excited it's Friday. Hi guys, I'm in Kelly's at the supermarket at the moment with Daddy. Hey guys, so I know you guys are hearing the fan and all, but I just wanted to come on and, you know, update you guys on all that's happening. So basically, I think this vlog that you guys are watching right now is very jumbled. So it's like days in my life, as the title suggests. I just decided I filmed these footages and I'm gonna use them. So, and I hope you guys enjoyed the days in my life. I hate using my phone to film sometimes because I don't know if you guys notice it, but I notice it. Like sometimes you see the wall pales out and sometimes it's bright. I don't know why, but like right now it's like, you see, right now it's bright by the time I move. Yeah, but yeah, that's that. Anyways, so right now I was about to film, like not film, I'm about to plan some videos for December. I do have videos for the rest of November, but I haven't been filming. I have been so busy with work, so I apologize, guys. I am gonna get better. I did say I wanted to use November as a, just a training ground for December, but I don't think I did that well. But I'm gonna try because I need to do Vlogmas this year, and I want Vlogmas this year to work out because for the past 2 years it have not worked out because of Wi-Fi. So let's hope this year is better and my Wi-Fi keeps up so I can give you guys the footages on a daily, so I think last year my Vlogmas videos were uploaded in January, which is so lame. So yeah, I'm gonna plan and I'll see you guys. So I think I'm gonna end the vlogs that are here. I think I should have like even more than enough footage because I have been vlogging since probably not last week but the week before. Today is it the 18th or the 19th of November? The 17th. Why am I running the days? This is the 17th of November, and I think I started to vlog pretty much about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed something in this video, even though it's kind of jumbled, I'm so sorry. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment something down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys. We are on the road to 1K, so subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.